Welcome to RidgeLife. I'm Tim, and today on RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos, we are at the beautiful Spring River here in Mammoth Spring, Arkansas, to show you a couple awesome products we've used personally. Guys, today I've got 8 fans, fishing waders with wading boots, and also their neoprene hunting waders. Put both of them to the test here on the beautiful Spring River. Let's see what we've got. All right, let's do the actual in the water test. Like the fit of these, like the hand warmer, the shell holders right here, very adjustable form fit, nice pocket again. Like these, love the real tree timber. Let's get in the water and see how they do out here. Oh yeah, my feet are dry, nice and dry. Getting a little deeper area here. Now let's get down in the water. Woo, feels so good. No, not a bit of water coming in. Get deeper, deeper, deeper. These are great. Now don't just take my word for it. Let's see what Anthony from CountryroadCure has to say about these waders. Hunting waders. Of course, we're using them for trout fishing. How they handle up for you?
They're doing good. They're bone dry.
Bone dry?
Bone dry, not a single leak, nothing. I've been up to, pretty deep almost.
That water is so cold too. They keeping you dry, warm?
Yeah, I barely even feel the cold, honestly.
Very
They
nice.
work really, really well, and the boots are pretty comfy, so my feet don't really hurt too bad. So
those are size 11. Are they true to size?
Yes.
Awesome.
I wear 11 wides, and they fit my feet perfect. So.
Well, I appreciate you checking them out for us.
Thanks for letting me use them. Appreciate it, man.
You're welcome. I do think these fishing waders are my favorite. I love the nice elastic belt right here. They don't have the hand warmer pocket because you really don't keep your hand warm, but they do have a large pocket up here. They have again, the protective foam pocket on the inside there. They have another zip pocket here that appears to be sealed. I usually keep my shrimp when I'm out here trout fishing, but keep that closed right there. The H back is very, very comfortable and adjustable. You got little loops here just to hang your fishing equipment on. You got one in the back for your net. But my favorite, again, are the boots. These boots are amazing. Very, very rugged. Very, very traction is great. I had no problem slipping and falling with these. I really, really enjoy them. Let's get in the water again and see how we stay dry. Again, I feel the temperature more. I feel the temperature more in these than I did the neoprene. But right now it's almost 80 degrees, so that's fine. All right. I just love the mobility of these. These just seem much more mobile. Now get down. Again, the reinforced knee, all the air comes out. Yeah, I think I like the fishing waders best myself. Super, super dry. Let's talk about them in review. I have personally used both of these waders, and I really, really like them for their intended purpose. It is about 80 degrees here in West Tennessee right now, and we have been trout fishing, and I have put these fishing waders to the test. In the mornings, it's cold, and I had Anthony from CountryroadCure. He was wearing the neoprene hunting waders. He really, really liked those as well. So I'll be talking about both of them, giving you the specifications of both of them. I really like the wading boots too. I'm used to using the boot foot neoprene waders for both hunting and fishing. Going to the fishing waders with the boot foot, with the sock foot with the boots, I really, really enjoyed that. That was very, very nice. The water is 57 degrees here year round. It's a spring-fed river, so the water is always cold. So if you're gonna wear the fishing waders in cold weather, I'd recommend, some sweatpants or, some sort of insulated undergarments under them, but I didn't have any issues here this weekend. These hunting wader, the fishing waders are 100% waterproof and breathable. That was the thing. I'm used to in the neoprene, you get kind of sweaty, you get kind of, these were breathable. I took them off and I was very, very dry. 3-ply, again, breathable material, using the 8 fans dry technology that allows that perspiration to pass on through but keeps that water out. I was 100% dry the entire time. They are double taped, 100% waterproof, and very, very wear resistant. I sat on rocks, I scuffed my knee, I did all that and had no tears, no leaks, no issues. They've got gravel guard stocking foot, very, very protective on the sides there. Very, very comfortable. I was really surprised how comfortable they were. The neoprene can be kind of thick and suffocating at times when you're underwater, compressed like that. Yeah, these I really, really liked. When I got out of the water, I felt very loose and mobile. Double knees, very, very nice. Comfort, skin attached, breathable gravel guards. Yeah, that was very, very cool. They have adjustable H-back. You can get an X-back, and I got the H-back. The H-back I thought was very, very comfortable and convenient. You can slide that back up and down. The quick releases on the front, boom, pop them down. You know, you go to the restroom, do all that kind of stuff. Very, very adjustable. They fit me very, very good. They are true to size. I got the size 10 for me, and these are size 11 that Anthony wore. I got another pair, size 10 for me as well. I'm going to show you the specifications on. I'll pull that out of the box so you can see the unboxing on that one. The Liner Security waterproof foam pocket, they both got that. Fishing waders for men and women, they got both. Zipper line built-in security pocket provides you more convenience to store those belongings. Yeah, I had no problem with my key fob or my phone or any of that getting wet. It stayed very, very dry. They are lightweight. The fishing waders are super lightweight, especially without the boots on them, the sock foot. Now the boots, we'll get into that in a second, but the boots I really, really enjoyed. Let's see here, reinforced toe and heel. Okay, now we're gonna get into the boots. These boots allow the water to pass through, okay? So there's holes all the side, very, very rugged sole. The water can pass through on the boots. They are, let's see, PVC upper with speed laces. The top, pop, 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 really easy to do. Reinforced toe and heel. I had no problems with rocks or scuffing or, you know, any kind of, I put them to the test here in the Spring River. The wading boots for men were equipped with non-slip rubber soles. These are the Rock, I forgot what they're called, the Rock Grip. Yeah, there you go, Rock Grip. You can get the felt soled as well. I did not get the felt fold because I was afraid how longevity, but I'm told the rock sole will give you a lot better grip and traction. Definitely had the padded ankle, which was very, very nice, extra support. I didn't feel like when I was walking through the rocks I was going to fall. Definitely protection from slipping on mossy rocks, down logs, muddy bottoms, very, very sturdy, I thought. They're definitely suitable for your waders. I don't really know why you'd wear them otherwise. Fly fishing, you know, a lot of times you'll see fly fishermen wear these type. You know, they're out in warmer weather, and those will do very, very well in warmer weather. So I was very, very happy with those. I'll demonstrate those here in just a little bit. Now let's get into the neoprene waders. These are newly designed for this year, okay, guys? This was the Real Tree timber pattern. There's different patterns you can get. Real Tree timber camo, really, really cool. Again, if you're a duck hunter, these are the ones you're going to want to get. This is unique, they have a battery pack and an LED light that goes across the front. I'll demonstrate that for you, but that was very, you know, you're out trying to load your shotgun in the duck blind, it's dark, push a little button, light comes on, and you can see as you're doing that, or if you're trying to tie a fly, you know, you turn that light on, you know, in the early morning, very, very nice to do that. That light LED is very, very cool. Durable and sturdy. Again, these are waterproof 100%. They're made from 4.5 millimeter neoprene and excellent insulation. They're very, very warm. Anthony said he didn't get cold at all in those. Matter of fact, he got pretty warm when it got warmer in the afternoon. They can resist the impact of the outdoor activities that you will put it through, from hunting, duck hunting, you know, outdoor ATV, you know, activities to fly fishing and just regular fishing in the river wading as well. They have 600 gram Thinsulate material in the boots. That's to keep them little toesies warm. You'll think you'll appreciate that. 100% waterproof, 8 fans camo hunting and fishing waders, besides armor welded, double stitched, and visible bonded tape seams. I didn't see any issues with anything coming apart. You can tell. And again, Anthony had no leaks. I had no leaks on these, and Anthony from CountryroadCure had no leaks on his as well. Great for turkey hunting, duck hunting, anytime you gotta get back through the swampy areas, coon hunting. People still coon hunt? Yes, they do. But they passed leak test, and the waders will be hung up to dry and last you a very, very long time. Let's see here, they have elastic suspenders, the adjustable nylon elastic suspenders with the buckles, very, very cool. They have 7 shell holders, so your shotgun shells all across the front, you can put your shotgun shells in there. and they're for quick and easy access. The chest hand warmer pocket is made with fleece fabric. Keep your hands nice and toasty. Keep your hands right in there. Whether you're riding on an ATV or whatever, you know, if you're a passenger, stick your hands in there, keep them warm. While you're waiting for them to duck, keep your hands in there, keep them warm, keep them dry. Well, check out this LED bar right here. Here's the battery pack for it. That stores down inside the pocket, keeps it nice and dry. We're going to put 3 AA batteries in. 1, 2. Batteries do not come with it. Batteries not included. Let's get those on there. Slap this thing nice and clear. Oh, it already lit up, see? So see how the LEDs light up? I can turn it on, off. Oh, that's flash actually. And then off. Nice and bright. So again, 1 on, 2 flash, 3 off. On, flash, off. Very, very cool. And if you want to remove it, this can just pop right out, and then you don't have to have those on there at all. But that is very, very cool. Turn that on. Flash. So if you can see that a little bit better. Flash, flash, flash. Get a little bit of shade on it. Flash, flash, flash. That is the coolest thing. 8 fans, you did an amazing job with both the neoprene waders and the fishing waders. Again, I love these boots. The speed laces. Oh, nice and socky, soft. Okay, nice and dry on the inside. Again, these things got lugs. All the water comes out of the ports. Very, very good job, 8 fans. I think I like, again, the fishing waders the best. I'm gonna get back out there and see if I can catch me some more trout this weekend in these. Again, Anthony loved those. So matter of fact, go over and say hi to Anthony at Country Road Cure. Thanks for helping out 8 fans and RidgeLife review these products today. If you like these, I'll leave the link down in the description and get you a pair of the neoprene hunting waders, the fishing waders, or the wading boots. I think 8 fans would love to take care of you with that. So guys, if you like today's video, make sure you subscribe to RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos. Subscribing is 100% free. Hit that notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out here on RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos. Until next time, I hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife.